Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover what really works in beauty beyond the marketing hype. Today, we're exploring a product that's become a staple in many hair care routines, the Moroccanoil Treatment. This is a versatile hair oil designed to detangle, boost shine, and improve manageability for all hair types, promising that smooth, healthy-looking finish we all aim for. Right off the bat, the product comes in a sleek amber glass bottle with a pump applicator, which I appreciate for precision and controlling how much oil you use. Its formulation centers around argan oil, which is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E, giving hair nourishment without weighing it down. The scent is the brand's signature fragrance original, warm, slightly sweet, and unmistakable as Moroccanoil. The oil is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and can be used on damp or dry hair, making it versatile for styling or finishing. In terms of my experience, incorporating this oil into my routine was effortless. I applied a small amount to towel-dried hair before blow-drying, and it made detangling much easier while leaving my hair silky rather than greasy. On dry hair, just a touch on the ends smoothed frizz instantly and added a natural-looking shine. One thing I noticed is that a little goes a long way. Using too much can make hair feel heavy or slightly oily. It also performs well in different conditions, keeping hair manageable even in humid weather. What I love about this oil is its blend of effectiveness and simplicity. It provides a salon-quality finish at home without complicated steps or multiple products. On the downside, it's on the pricier side, and those with very fine hair need to be cautious with quantity. Packaging is sturdy and luxurious, and the pump works smoothly, which adds to the overall premium feel. When considering value for money, I'd say it's justified if you're looking for a high-performance hair oil that delivers consistent results and treats hair over time. Compared to other hair oils on the market, Moroccanoil's formulation is richer in antioxidants and tends to absorb more cleanly than heavier oils like coconut or olive oil, though there are more affordable alternatives that still offer shine and frizz control if you're on a budget. The product's longevity is strong, it doesn't expire quickly, and with proper use, a small bottle can last several months. Moroccanoil also has a solid reputation for customer service, which adds confidence if you ever need support or have questions. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Moroccanoil Treatment delivers exactly what it promises: smoother, shinier, more manageable hair with minimal effort. It's best suited for anyone wanting a reliable, high-quality hair oil, especially for dry, frizzy, or dull hair. If you're looking to elevate your hair care routine without fuss, this product definitely deserves consideration. If you've used Moroccanoil Treatment, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it works for your hair type. The link to purchase can be found in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.